Hi and welcome to a new video. Have you been having issues with FaceTime activation, connectivity, alerts, choppy video calls, or black screen? In this video, I will show you how to resolve these problems on your iPhone. Let's go. These problems often arise when your device's network connection is sluggish or unstable. To ensure uninterrupted use of the app, joining a more reliable Wi-Fi network is the most practical fix. Also, if you're using cellular data as your internet connection, make sure that FaceTime has access to it. To check, open Settings, go to Cellular, then enable the toggle for FaceTime. Aside from your network connection, there are also additional configurations you should check to ensure that FaceTime functions properly on your iPhone. First, see to it that your device's time zone is configured correctly. Navigate to General Settings, select Date and Time, and toggle on Set Automatically to allow your iPhone to accurately adjust to the time zone of your current location. Another possible solution is to simply restart FaceTime by switching the toggle off and on within its configuration page. If you're having trouble receiving notifications, make sure you enable it as well. Tap Notifications within the FaceTime settings and make sure that Allow Notifications is activated. It also helps to enable the display of alerts on your lock screen, notification center, and banners so that you'll easily be notified on either view. Then tap on Sounds to select a specific ringtone for your notifications. Next, set your FaceTime contact information so that other users may get in touch with you. This includes your phone number and Apple ID. If you notice that you don't seem to be receiving FaceTime calls from a certain person, check if he's in your blocked contacts. Then unblock your contact if necessary. Lastly, if you can't find the FaceTime configuration within Settings, go to Screen Time and choose Content and Privacy Restrictions. Open Allowed Apps, then make sure that both FaceTime and Camera are activated. You can also try to force restart your device. This approach is very simple, but it frequently fixes any minor software glitches on your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or newer models, quickly press and release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button and release it when the Apple logo appears. If you're using an older iPhone model, you can refer at the tag in the top right corner or find the link to the Apple support page in the description below to know how to force restart your device properly. Another option for resolving this problem is to install a repair tool on your computer. For this, I recommend Tenorshare Reboot, which addresses nearly all software issues on your iPhone. This method is quite practical because it will also immediately update your iPhone to the most recent iOS version in addition to fixing any software glitches. Aside from that, it also works both on Mac and Windows PC. However, please note that most of its features require a paid subscription. If you want to try and test it out, you can download the software by clicking on the tag at the top right corner or find the link in the description below. Upon installation, launch Reboot on your computer and click the Start button. Next, click on Standard Repair. The program will then automatically provide the latest firmware that is compatible with your device. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the repair process. When the repair is finished, your iPhone will automatically reboot and the problem should now be resolved. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.